Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6, and today I'll show you how to insert SD card into this device. So, to get started you will need a SIM eject tool, as I have one right here, and you want to pop out the tray that is located on the bottom right side of the device, so right here. Although this seems to be the top, the device is right now on a landscape instead of portrait. So it's below the buttons. So let's push it in. You'll see that the tray comes out, and when you take it out you have space for just a single SD card. Place it like so, make sure that it's in there correctly. It should stay in the tray, so it shouldn't fall out if you flip it over. And once it's in there, I'm gonna slide it back into the device, and that's about it. Now the SD card should be visible. Oh, it's right here. So you have the SD card tab here to transfer media files. So as you can see, the device is already recognizing it. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.